Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's gonna be my first video on YouTube. I know if you guys got here by watching some of my shorts, they might not be perfect, but believe me, they're gonna get better. I'm gonna try to get better equipment just to kind of deliver you guys more content. But I just wanna do this video just to give you some motivation and the reason why I started this channel. I've been in the banking industry for almost plus 10 years. I've always been dealing with people real life problems about needing to open up a checking account, needing to open up a credit card, needing to open lending products, how to refer them to a mortgage lender. So I feel like I can provide some value to you guys out there, share some knowledge on where to go, what to do, what they ask for. So I know this is kind of a rough draft video. I'm not going to be the fancy editor that have the best gimmicky and caption and catch you guys, but maybe I can catch you by telling you guys I'm a real person. I can share with you guys my real life experience. I'm not the best talker, but maybe I can deliver the message and maybe you can understand clearly what I'm saying. So, I think that sometimes these people on YouTube, and they do a great job, I don't want to knock them, everyone on top, providing finance tips, is great. I appreciate what they've done. I've learned from them. They the ones who I admire, but sometimes we lose the connection with the real world. And I kind of want to stick to that. And that's going to be my foundation to help everyone in this channel that joins be able to give you the best tips for credit cards, the best tips for opening a bank account, how to get the best lending products, how to improve your credit score, maybe a little bit of investing as we grow and mature and we get better. And with the channel, I think that we're going to be able to provide some good content. I think we're going to grow together. So I just need your support. Give a like, subscribe, leave your feedback, your comments. Tell me what you guys want to see. Ask me what experience out there that I had that you guys want me to share with you guys. I am a family husband, with kids. I don't want to get too much into the private life of my family, but maybe in the future I can share that, bring them along on the ride. But I hope that you guys can take this journey with me and grow. Like I said, this was just a rough video intro of me. I'm no longer in the banking industry, but I still love, it's a passion for me. I love technology. That's another passion for me as well. I do with a lot of data analytics. I'm in the cybersecurity world as well. So that's kind of my passion as well, cybersecurity, which is a good industry. I recommend you guys to dive into it as well. But I still love the finance world. I've dealt with so many people. As you can see, you can hear my kids in the background. This is kind of a rough video. So just want to give you guys motivation to initiate. This is kind of a vulnerable moment for me, putting myself out there and just kind of just rambling words that come to my head. And this is not scripted. This is just coming from my brain. So my thoughts. So hopefully I can give you guys some great knowledge, some great vision on how to get to a financial freedom world where you can feel like you're able to survive out there. You're able to get by. I know a lot of people nowadays are living paycheck to paycheck. That's kind of the mentality of people. But we want to gear off that. We want to make sure that we start saving, that we start growing our money, that we start investing. Let the money work for us. We don't got to work for the money. Let's make it work for us. So I think if you want to reach your dream, your home, get that new car, be able to save for a certain trip, I think this is going to be the channel for you. I'm going to be able to give you guys all those tips. If you need tips on how to save with kids, I think that's something that we can start including. I think that's just something that parents out there that need some ways to be able to save with having kids. Make sure that they go to college, make sure they prepare, make sure we don't take out student loans, which, it's probably something that right now we're all dealing with this world right now. So let's try to improve our life. I'm gonna try to give you guys content that's real world, hardcore, and we can mature to get better solutions out there. So hopefully I can provide some value. Please excuse the quality of the videos, the way I deliver the message, but hopefully my goal is to get you thinking, get you motivated, initiate that spark to get you going. And if it's about starting a YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. If you haven't started, you're late. you're late. You got to be doing this right now. Just like press record and just record yourself. And that's what it took for me. And maybe we can look back at this video and say to ourselves like, wow, look how he grew. And maybe I can do that. So he wasn't shaved. He didn't prepare. He didn't have the fancy background. But look where he started. So I just want to make this a mark to where we're going to go together, and maybe me help you with finance tip, giving you motivation to start your YouTube channel. And I'm telling you, I'm going to give you real life experience advice that I've experienced, my recommendations. So who better than a person that's seen it, who's been dealing with the real world life out there? So why not just give a like and subscribe? Why not just give me feedback? Why not just give me a comment and say, you know what? Let's go with this guy. Let's start hearing from him. Let's have him do the legwork for us. And I'm willing to do it. I'm willing to do it, and I'm happy to share you guys. So feel free to just leave your feedback, your critics, your whatever. If you don't like this video, just comment down below. Just tell me why you didn't like it, you know? But just want to help you out, and that's my goal. It's just to help everyone out, and it's for us to grow together. And you guys can see that, well, you know, I was a part of that journey. And look where he's at now. Look where I'm at now. And thankfully, we can thank everyone in the community one day. I wish that I can just meet all the subscribers, but maybe we can get there one day. So that's the goal. Very humble, very respectful for everyone's thoughts. You know, I want to keep this channel very respectful. Everybody's invited, everyone. I just hope everything for everyone, the best, and that we can have a very good journey. So just like and subscribe for, like I said, for more finance tips. Watch my shorts, support the channel. Let's grow together, and hope to see you on the next video.